YouTube, Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Easthills Outdoors Instant Shade Easy Setup Beach Tent. So this is what comes in the bag. You have the tent itself. You also have the nice carry bag, which also has the instructions on the inside. And you also have a bag of stakes and guy lines to tie this down with. And now we're going to show you how to set up the Easthills Outdoors Instant Shade Easy Setup Beach Tent. So the first step is to take your tent, just make it go straight up vertical, spread out the legs, just like that. Second step is to take the top, spread these out even further, and you'll see that the opening is in the front there. We're going to have that go towards the front over here. Finally, we're going to grab these two ropes on top, and we're just going to pull until it extends fully out and locks like that. Next step is to tie a knot, just like you would a shoelace on the top here, just to make sure that it stays tight. Then you have these little clips on top. You just want to make sure those are clipped to these little supports right here. Alright, and then after it's all put out there and it's built, you just want to go around and make sure all these clips are on there. So for example, on this side, you just have to clip them on for extra support. Like that. And that generally is how the tent is put together. Zach's going to help you with the next step, and that is to stake out the tent. Inside that little bag, they have tons of stakes, as you can see, and also 3 guy lines. To hammer in the stakes, we're going to be using the Iunio camping axe, which I'll review in another video. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to see that, but it's a handy camping axe. You have these little stirrups for the stakes to go in. So it's going to put the stake at a 45-degree angle, and we're just going to hammer the stake right in. There's 4 main staking places for the beach tent. The beach tent also has this little portion in the front here. They call this a porch, and you could stick that down too if you want to leave it out like this. That's what the tent looks like when it's all staked out. Now it is called a beach tent, but I'm going to be honest with you, you can actually use it just as a regular sun shelter. It does fine just by staking it out. If it's in high winds, you could put the guy lines on the tent as well. It has these little guy line points, but we're not going to use those today because it's not very windy. Another way of having this tent weighed down is that they have sand pockets. If you're at the beach, you can put sand in each pocket. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3 sand pockets, which will keep the tent down on the beach. The tent itself is really high quality. It has a capacity of 2 people. It has a package weight of 4 pounds, and its peak height is 80 centimeters. It also has UPF 50+ protection, which blocks 97.5% of harmful UV rays. As you can see, it was really easy to set up. And we're going to look at this porch right now because we're going to unstake that and show you that you can have some privacy in the tent as well. Now Zach's going to show us how to zip up the front porch for privacy with the beach tent. Go, Zach! The whole tent has that front porch zip up and have some privacy in the tent. If you have a baby, an infant that you're changing diapers, or if it's inclement weather and you just don't want water on you, you can zip the front porch up. It's also easy to zipper back. And then you'd stake out the front porch if you want that little porch. Gives you a nice little area where you can put a chair or 2 and not get sand all over you. The inside of the beach tent itself, it's really convenient with its features. It has, Zach, show us. It has 2 pockets on the side. It also has 3 windows total in the tent, and it has another 2 pockets on the other side of the tent. So the windows actually have some nice Velcro, and that's what keeps them attached to the sides in 3 places. But if you did want to have some breeze, you just unvelcro that, and then you're just going to roll it up. I'm going to tie it down with these tie downs. And finally, just take the clips, go right through here. There's another one over here. Thank you, Zach. And that will hold the window up, and it's a nice mesh that's underneath. It's a really high quality mesh. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to pack up the Easthills Instant Shade Easy Setup Beach Tent. First thing you want to do is just tuck the front porch in. Not want to leave it zippered up. The next step is just to pull out all 4 stakes, like so. We're going to do that on all sides. The next step is to come behind the tent. So we're going to collapse it in. We're going to untie that little knot we put in the top here, just for extra security. And we're going to undo these top 2 clips on the top of the tent. Next step, we're going to take our hands and grab the top. There's going to be 2 red stickers. It says push down here. What we're going to do is we're going to push down with our thumbs while we grab the top here, and it'll collapse the tent like so. And we just let it collapse in the middle. Just fold up the legs. And then we're going to wrap around every part of the tent. They also include a piece of string after you rolled up the tent. Just to tie it together so that way it stays together. Then you're ready to put the tent back in the bag. Also, don't forget to put the stake bag in the bag as well. And that is our review of the Easthills Outdoors Instant Shade Easy Up Beach Tent. If you'd like to purchase yours, please look for a link below in the description. We'll say to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. And also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. We appreciate all your support. As always, have a great day. Right, Zach?
Right.
Right. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.